You are attending computer coding class. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to use regular expression inside Lambda function in Python. I have already installed RE library package for regular expressions. Let's start tutorial. My Python version is 3.7 and I am using Spider as an IDE. First of all, import RE library. Next, create a Python list and store 7 names. In this program, we will search all the names started with character A. We divide this program in 3 parts. In first part, we will use regular expression with for loop. In this block, for reading all the names one by one, use for loop. Next, inside for loop, apply regular expression. For regular expression, we use re.match function that has 2 parameters. First one is substring that will be matched with main string. In substring, we use tilde for finding occurrence of first character. Here, after tilde, we use A. It means we will find all the names started with A. Next, print the result of regular expression. Next, run the program. In output window, it is showing matching in first position, fourth position and sixth positions. But it is also showing none, means no matching. So next, we will eliminate none. For deletion of none, we will use if condition. If F, then print F. It means it will show all the matching objects where condition is true. Again run the program. Now it is showing only matching objects, but still it is showing only object, not the string. For displaying matching name, we will write f dot string, means the string associated with matching objects will be displayed. Again run the program. At this time, it is showing all the string where first character is A. This was first step, regular expression with for loop. Next, we will use regular expression with Lambda function and list comprehension using for loop. In this block, we will write f equal to lambda x. Here, name of function is lambda and name is the parameter for lambda function. Next, colon. Then we will write our re.match function in bracket. Here we are using bracket for list comprehension, where first parameter is our matching function. We will write same as previously we wrote re.match. In parenthesis, we will write our first substring tilde A and then our variable name. After the function, we will write for loop for name in names. Here, by using for loop program, read all the names one by one and then see to match function. Then match function search all the occurrence of string started with A and save in variable f. Next, call the lambda function f and pass the parameter list names. Then print the result of lambda function f. Next, run the program. It is showing all the objects where there is a matching in first position, fourth position and sixth position. Other positions are displayed as a none. Next, by using if condition, we will filter only matching objects. Next, print all the matching strings by writing x dot string. Here x is an object and x dot string means associated string with matching object. Next, run the program. Now it is showing all the matching strings started with character A. In third step, we will create more easy program. We will reduce complexity by using filter with our lambda and regular expressions. Here, in place of list comprehension, we will apply filter function. Filter function has two parameters. First one is function and second one is iterable. Here our function is lambda function and iterable is list names. So we will pass lambda function in filter function. Second parameter is list names. Next, print the result of filter function with lambda function and run the program. It is showing filter object. Directly you cannot print the result of filter function. First you will have to convert the result of filter in the form of Python list, dictionary or tuple. Here we are converting the result of filter function into Python list. Run the program. Now it is showing all the matching string where first character is A. Here all matching strings are stored in a list. So next, by using for loop, we will read the matching string one by one and then print the matching strings. Run the program. At this time, in output window, it is showing all the matching string where first character is A. If you like this tutorial, then kindly subscribe our channel Computer Coding Class. Thank you.